This soap dispenser needs to be installed in the kitchen on the wall. Looks like a straightforward story. The back of the soap dispenser already has some kind of holes made. Just put some screws on it and it's done. Yeah, it's not that simple because it goes on a tiled wall. Yes, that will need a hammer drill and a drill bit that goes through tile, but there are already holes in the wall behind kitchen equipment, not here. So I grabbed a sheet of paper towel and I copied the location of those holes with just laying this on the tiled wall, and obviously I'm gonna match up the holes, or gonna see how the holes are gonna work out. And yeah, ultimately this needs two hands on the paper towel, but you can see that the holes will line up with in the back of this machine, so the existing holes will work. So all I need is 4 screws and it's good to go. So the soap dispenser gets installed there. There was something there before it, and you can appreciate how difficult it is to work in there. So that's how the pattern was taken off with the paper towel for these holes, and you should be able to get this installed with those 4 screws. And there, the screws lined up perfectly. It was still difficult because once the screw holes are covered up, you don't see where the screw holes are, so you have to find the first one and then hope that the others line up, but they did.